right? So you guys might have seen the previous video, right? So hope you guys might have understood what my plan is. So now, so you have to keep in mind there is a thing called resource book that we have in our syllabus. So nothing comes out of the resource book. So if something that comes out of the resource book will be given all marks. So there is nothing clear, there is nothing to say but if anything that comes out of the resource book, right? So really there are some cases that happened in the previous years and all. So there we can directly deal with them. So they will give all these things. But according to my analysis of the 2004 year past paper, there is lots of questions. There is a lots of questions that has been come based on the resource book points. So if you are familiarized with the resource book, right? If you are familiarized with the resource book, then you can get a lot of marks from there, right? Most of the points that comes on your MCQ paper all comes under the resource book, including some of the essays. In 2023 essays and all, they have come from the example areas of the resource book. For example, they have given the finding of Ka of methanoic acid. So methanoic acid, copper hydroxide, all those KSP, Ka questions and all came from the example areas, which is there in the resource book. So if you are familiar with the resource book, right? If you are able to familiarize with the resource book, then nothing is actually hard in the chemistry part, right? There is a real big myth actually, right? Most of the students, they think like you have to follow up the teacher's guide and all, and some of the other stuffs that the other teachers give. Sometimes some teachers may say like this can come, this might can come. So there are lots of myths that have been going around this A level students, right? There is lots of issues. I had to have faced such issues there. Nothing will come away from the resource book, right? So it comes with the resource book. Nothing is going to be hard. So if you are able to understand all the things which you have been given in the resource book, you can easily get an A. You can score above 87 also. Around less than 5% or 1% of the Sri Lankan students, those who get island ranks, from island rank around 1 to 50 maybe, I'm not sure, maybe 1 to 20 also. All these students, they score above 90 in chemistry. They score higher marks in the past papers and all. I mean, in the past history and all, according to the professor's analysis, they have said most of the students, they might score above 90. If you are able to score this, then no harm. You can go directly to medical faculty or engineering faculty. That is your side, right? So that is also your personal side. One more thing you have to keep in mind. Even though if you have tried, sometimes you might lose. Sometimes you might lose. Don't stress yourself. Maybe that can be your God's fate that has been written on your head. So nothing to worry. Your side is to work hard. Don't stop anywhere, right? Whatever difficulties come, you have to face it, right? That is your side. It is a challenge. A level is all about your courage, your speed, your memories, everything, your intelligence, everything will be bared on the A level within these 2 years. So you have less than 1 year now. Your exams are nearing. Around October, you have your exams. So we will try to plan accordingly, right?